about that time again. What is up, guys? If you're watching this, that means you got another day. It's Sunday. I should be upstairs uploading a video, but instead I couldn't look at the computer screen anymore, guys. I need a day off. I've been shooting and editing like a crazy person. I need to just get away from the computer for just a day. See this car? I'm gonna paint my room like this. Well, not like that, more like this. Well, because I'm always shooting videos in my room, and my room is 4 white, plain, boring walls. One of them is very beat up by just all kinds of holes and things that previous tenants have drilled in, so I'm like, you know what would look sick? If my room matches my car. So we're on our way to Home Depot. I've never done anything like this before. I have no idea what I'm doing. The closest thing I've come to anything like house and building construction, painted a couple of walls and ripped up some carpet while I was in the Air Force to some government buildings, but that's about it. I'm basically figuring this all out on the fly. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'm gonna put my budget somewhere around 100 to 200 bucks for all the painting supplies because I have like literally no money dollars left, but I will be going active duty again starting next week, and there's a nice healthy paycheck coming in from the Air Force. So I'm basically gonna just do this earlier and pay for it later with some Air Force money. That's how this works in Los Angeles. On to Home Depot. You didn't think you'd get DIY projects with the Bilko channel? Well, you know what? We got everything here. About that time again. Woo! Yes, sir! Well, I made it inside of Home Depot for about 3 minutes before they closed. For some reason, I thought they'd be open later than 8 o'clock, but they do open at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So here's what I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna wake up at like 4 something and come shop at Home Depot, prep for paint tonight, and then we'll see if we can knock out a big chunk of that project tomorrow. This is the before. Okay, I'm getting all my stuff taken down over here. You can see why I wanted to do this. Just like, this has to go. This is sloppy. There's like holes everywhere, and it's just a sad, not even white color. And I don't even know what these boxes are, but just all this. So I figured if I was gonna paint it, might as well make it crazy. So for a Home Depot trip at 5 a.m. Ooh, guys, it is 5:30 in the morning. I'm so sorry, everybody. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Ah! I was so frustrated not being able to complete that project or even start it yesterday. Actually, yesterday just as a whole was a complete failure. I was so annoyed that yesterday was not wildly productive. Set an alarm for 4:30 today, woke up, made a huge breakfast, cleaned up my room, prepped the wall so that I can get all this stuff bought and ready before work at 7 a.m. Let's get to Home Depot. Ta-da! There's a Hollywood sign right there. And they told me inside, this is actually the busiest Home Depot in the country. That is a fact. We got a crush today. Okay, I got most of the supplies here. I've got a full paint kit, which is perfect. We got the white, got my painter's tape, I got this to go down on the ground. We've got the drop cloth to cover up the bed. I've got sandpaper to deal with that giant mound on the wall. Got putty to fill in all the holes, and he's mixing the other 3 colors for me now. We use the back of my cell phone because it's made with the actual vinyl to paint match it to the car, and the rest of it we use this as a guide. All right, let's go get the rest of that paint. Okay, got all the paint, everything is loaded in the back. Work starts in 15 minutes, so I'm gonna hurry up and get the day job out of the way. But until then, it's about that time again. Whoop, 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 whoop. Woo! Yes, sir. All right, back in my room, and now it's time to paint. I don't want to get any paint on my shirt, and it's really hot in here. Okay, here we go. This is what we got. I've got tape all the way around. Man, look at how beat up this wall is. It's gonna. This is why this needed to get painted. Do you see how ruined everything is? It does not look good. I went over with some putty, and I filled in all these holes best I could. So the goal today is to just get everything white. Okay, here's the hard part where I have to get where it's very high up. Good thing I'm 6'3". 6'2". We can reach it, fam. That's good, because I don't even have a stool I can stand on. I'm probably doing this wrong. I don't know anything about painting. How hard can it be to paint a wall white? Time to actually paint. I hope I don't screw this up. All right, probably gonna screw this up. I read online you're supposed to do like a W shape for Wumbo. You never thought you'd see paint on the YouTube channel, but you know what? I'm full of surprises, so. Check it out. Bam! White, 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 perfect. This is where we were. This is where we at now, fam. This is in no way sponsored by Tier 1, but that completely fueled this entire paint session. Time to start taping things off and making the shapes. All right, it is well into the night now. It's 9:15. We've got the eggshell white down, a little bit of blue because of the lights we got going on. And speaking of blue, that's the first color that's going on. I've got my sections taped off. We're gonna go light to dark. So we got the white, then we're gonna go bright blue, then I'm gonna put more triangles on. We're gonna do light gray, and then I'm gonna kind of casually fill in the blanks with some black. I shouldn't start this right now. I should go to bed, but YouTuber 2020. I need sleep. Okay, it's time for the light blue. Where's the little tool that they give me to open this? Oh yeah, it's right here. Next to Life Apollos. You guys, look at it! It's perfect! Is this what Summit Autolife felt like when they put the first piece of vinyl on my car? Oh yeah, baby. Yes, sir. If this isn't YouTuber 2020, I don't know what. I'm painting my room to match my car. That's about as... This is that thing that you always say that you're gonna do, but you just never actually do it. And I got all this paint, all the supplies, everything, 80 bucks. That's not bad. My budget was 200. I thought paint cost more. Okay, I'm gonna put my camera down because I want to actually make this look good. People often ask me, oh, Will, why are you still single? Why aren't you dating someone in LA? Well, I'll tell you exactly why. One, I wrapped my car like a cartoon and I drive it like a moron and I don't have to get anyone's permission to do that. Number two, I'm painting the walls in my room to match my cartoon of a car and I'm almost 30 and I don't have to ask anyone's permission to do it. And number three, I painted my face. I had an ice cream sandwich for dinner and I'm staying up past my bedtime and I didn't have to ask anyone for permission. So why am I not in a hurry to get a girlfriend? Because I'm in too much of a hurry to drive a faster car. Also, I spend all my time doing things like wrapping my car and painting my walls like cartoons instead of talking to girls. That could have something to do with it. I think we've reached a stopping point. Check it out, check it out, check it out. We got blue triangle action going on. And then we'll jump into it tomorrow. I got a little too excited here and we have like some drip. This guy right here, took him outside to spray it down. And when it hit it, it spun really fast. While it was on the end of the wheel, it slung white paint all over your boy. Moving on to gray day. I can't really, I can't even snap without slinging paint anywhere. New day, new day. Whoa! Alright. Fire. So satisfying, right? It's like pulling the little sticker off the steering wheel in a new car. Oh, this one's gonna be good. Yep. It's the most fire content to ever hit my channel. Yeah. Reject basket with all the other McLaren designs and things that belong in there. Okay. Close. Okay, more to come. All these triangles are gonna be gray. Oh, it's perfect. So clean, it looks just like my car. Gray is on. I think we're done for the night. I'm getting tired of looking at paint, yo. What we're working with. It actually kind of looks like my car now. Black is gonna be the trickiest because that's the only color that if I screw up, I can't go back over it with something else. Figure it out. First, you guys gotta see what this thing looks like when I spray it. Whoa! Oh my God. I just covered myself in paint. That was way too much power. More power, baby! Adam's Polish is making a cameo in the vlog, per usual. Yeah, that's a Black Widow. So we're probably gonna have to set fire to it. Not today, boys, not today. Yep, gotcha. Nope, more fire. More fire for you. Excessive fire. We should probably do more fire. Adam's Polishes. Now let's go to the next day. Making solid progress, guys. Check this out. Okay, the wall is done. The last part that has to go on is black, 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 black. And black makes me nervous because it's the one color I can't really paint over, so we gotta get it right. My car has a black base to it. Black is the base and then the other shapes are kind of on top, but because I can't start with black with paint, white will be my base with the other shapes on top, which opened up, as you can see, in my Mustang, which is great that it didn't go everywhere. You gotta make sure these paint cans are sealed all the way. Shout out to my car not getting destroyed in an accident yesterday with a pile up on the 101. Or you need to go check it out now. I'm having a great weekend because my car's not totaled and I'm not in the hospital. Both of which could have happened if that accident went just any differently. Great day today. From a small town, the city knows when we come through. Okay, it is 1 a.m. 1 a.m. night before the BH2 rally, guys. Pulled off most of the tape. This is the final bit. It's going down.
Don't you worry about a thing.
Time to go to sleep. My Mustang has a flat tire now, as it did the last time before the BH2 rally. Why, Mustang? Why must you be so happy? I'm gonna fast forward to the time when all of this mess is picked up because my room has been in disarray for the last several days. Fast forward to finished wall. Boom! Wall is done, guys. Check this out! Look at how sick this looks! Oh my god, it turned out so... It matches the surfboard. It matches the skateboard. Well, you can't see it around the corner. It matches the car. Oh, what a finished product. I'm so stoked. Also, fun fact, this is the wheel that fell off my last Mustang. We just gotta keep it there as a trophy to remember where we came from. And check it out. On the other side of the room, we got my Ferrari 458 that I wake up and see every day. And we got a canvas print from AJ Lee Photo of his double Ferrari shoot. I feel like this is a kid's room. Paint, immaculate. It is just so. I am a bit of a Picasso myself. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of that episode of SpongeBob where Squidward is stuck in the like world of nothing and there's just shapes on whiteness and he's like,
Finally, I found a place where I can be all.
yeah, I think it's kind of like the Sistine Chapel meets a 4-year-old. Yeah, I got the Spoolie Boy hat on for a very, well, guys, all I'm gonna say is that if something happens this week, and you'll know about it if it happens, if something happens this week, we are going to have twin turbos on the Mustang, on the Roush, world's first Roush with twin turbos RS by Christmas, at the latest. I'm gonna try to put them in as fast as possible. But if everything that has to happen this week happens, I can promise it by Christmas. How does that sound? Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Thanks so much to all of you beautiful people who actually clicked the notification bell. If you don't know what that is, get with it.
Get with it.
And thank you to everybody that tunes in every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday when we upload episodes. I'm back on the same schedule. You will be watching this on a Tuesday. You can expect another vlog on Thursday. And we're going YouTuber 2020. I'm currently not employed by anyone right now. My day job starts up again second week of September. We have until then to make this work because I want to keep making lots of videos for you guys. I might even turn up the gas and do more videos a week. Who knows? I'll catch you the next episode. Peace!
I might lie to you just to get through the night with you. Hope that's alright. No, you lie to me. It's all